How to send a receipt on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to send receipts or purchase receipts to the customers. And we're going to make this process automatically and not manual. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to find the account dashboard just like that. What we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to choose the website that we have, the store that we want to proceed the procedure with. Click on select and edit the site for it. Now we are going to have, as you can see here, the dashboard. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over here and we are going to be heading over the left side of the screen. We're going to focus on the get inside, or not get inside, but basically getting paid. As you can see, menu item. From here, we are going to have pay links, connect and set up invoices, and etc. We're going to base up in the invoices. It is going to be the place where are going to be creating the receipts. So we're going basically to head over here, click on more actions. We're going to find view reports, view receipts. Click on view receipts and you're going to see that it is going to have no receipts yet. Why? Because we haven't got any transaction going on. So we're going to set up the automated receipts. As you can see, it is going to have an issue or issue receipt or automated for issued receipts. We're going to be back here by clicking on here and also there. We're going to activate the process and as you can see, generate receipt for invoice payment. And also create receipt when a payment is added to the order. For example, I'm going to have this also on. We can go ahead and edit the automation by clicking on it and it is going to take us to the automation center. So the invoice payment received, convert invoice to receipt, issue or send a receipt. So everything is okay here. Now we're going to see the second one. Normally it is going to be here, also on the same spot. So we are going to head over the receipts, set up automations, generate receipt for invoices. We're going to have it like this. So we're going to click on automations for issued receipts. Send a receipt via email. So receipt sent email, send email. So this is the automation should be active. We're going to click on edit automation and see the different triggers and actions. So this trigger is going to be when a receipt is going to be created or a receipt is going to be sent, an email is going to be sent. So the trigger is going to be once per person. I'm not going to be interested in doing that, but we're going to see here the receipt as it is. So it is going to create a email, receipt for payment, and it is going to set up the business detail name. And here we have it. So you can go ahead and add some details. For example, here for your receipts, and also set up some email attachment if you want a receipt document to be downloadable. Set up the email type and also set receipt, for example, email from trigger, and it is going to be a recipient. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.